In this video, let me show you how to send Solana from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. First, make sure you have both Coinbase and Phantom wallet. Then open the Phantom, make sure you're on the Solana mainnet, and tap your wallet address to copy it. Next, log into your Coinbase account on either the app or website. Go to your Solana holdings by tapping on Sol and your assets list, then tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom. Double check the address to make sure it matches. Choose the amount of Sol you want to send, and then tap Continue. Now review the transaction details. When everything looks good, tap Send Now. You may be asked to verify with two-factor authentication. Just follow the prompts. To confirm the transfer, check the transaction status in Coinbase and also in Phantom Wallet under the Activity tab or Balance. Solana transfer usually complete in under a minute. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.